Здравствуйте, дорогие друзья!
Hello and welcome to Grammar Lesson 5, Part 1 of the Practical Russian course for beginning students. In this lesson you will learn about the genitive case. Remember to repeat the words out loud after tomorrow. The case system is a set of endings that indicate their function and relationship to other words in a sentence. There are several instances of the use of the genitive case in Russian. In this lesson we cover absence, non-existence, as indicated by
Нет,
and.
не.
For example, I have no magazine. Literally, it can be translated as
Я не имею журнала.
where
Не,
is a particle of negation. See vocabulary lesson 13 in the info cards above on how to conjugate the verb to have.
иметь.
This construction of the verb to have
Иметь
belongs to the written and to the official style of speech. But in colloquial Russian, to refer to objects, use the construction
У меня нет журнала.
I have no letter. Literally, it can be translated as,
Я не имею письма.
but in colloquial Russian, use the construction
У меня нет письма.
I have no lamp. Literally, it can be translated as,
Я не имею лампы.
but in colloquial Russian, use the construction
У меня нет лампы.
In Russian, the following spelling rule applies. Feminine nouns after letters
К, Г, Ш, Щ, Х, Ж, Ч.
are always followed by
И,
never
Ы. У меня нет бутылки.
I have no bottle.
У меня нет шпаги.
I have no sword.
У меня нет свечи.
I have no candle.
У меня нет груши.
I have no pear. I have no book. Literally, it can be translated as,
Я не имею книги.
but in colloquial Russian, use the construction
У меня нет книги.
Compare the nominative subjective case with the genitive possessive case. Here is the pattern. Use the nominative case to say you have something.
У меня есть.
Use the genitive case to state the negative, that you have not something.
У меня нет. У меня есть журнал.
I have a magazine.
У меня нет журнала.
I have no magazine.
У меня есть лампа.
I have a lamp.
У меня нет лампы.
I have no lamp.
У меня есть письмо.
I have a letter.
У меня нет письма.
I have no letter. The question method can be used for determining cases in which a question is asked to the required word. The magazine is on the table.
Журнал на столе.
What is on the table
Журнал. Журнал
is the subject of the sentence. There is no magazine on the table.
на столе нет журнала.
Here
Журнала
is in the genitive case because it is negative.
чего нет?
What is not?
Нет журнала.
He is in the house.
Он в доме.
Who is in the house?
Он. Он
Is the subject of the sentence. Where is he?
в доме. В доме
Is in the prepositional location case. He is not at home.
его нет дома. Кого нет?
Whom is not
Его. Его
is the genitive case of he.
он.
Where not
Где нет? Дома. Дома
is the genitive case of.
дом.
Note that all words next to the negative
Нет.
take the genitive case. The letter is on the table.
Письмо на столе.
There is no letter on the table.
Письма нет на столе.
What is not
Чего нет? Письма. Письма
is the genitive case of.
письмо. На столе
Is in the prepositional location case because there is the preposition.
на.
Prepositions and questions which are used in the genitive case.
Предлог у. Вопросы. У кого? У чего? Кого? Чего?
Whom not? What not? Endings in the genitive case depend on gender. In the masculine gender, change the soft sign and the short letter
И.
for
Я.
and add
А.
to consonant endings. In the feminine gender, change endings
А.
for
И.
the soft sign and
Я.
for.
И.
In the neutered gender, change endings
О.
for
А.
and
Е.
for.
Я.
Personal pronouns in the genitive case.
Я. Меня.
I, me.
Ты. Тебя.
You, you.
Он. Его.
He, him.
Она. Ее.
She, her.
Оно. Его.
It, it.
Мы. Нас.
We, us.
Вы. Вас.
You, you.
Они. Их.
They, them.
У меня есть паспорт, а у вас нет паспорта.
I have a passport, but you do not have a passport.
У тебя есть документ, а у него нет документа.
You have a document, but he does not have a document.
У них есть виза, а у нас нет визы.
They have a visa, but we do not have a visa.
У тебя есть слон? У меня нет слона. У тебя есть чай? У меня нет чая. У тебя есть машина? У меня нет машины. У тебя есть молоко, яблоко? У меня нет ни молока, ни яблока.
In this lesson, you have learned about the genitive case. As you proceed through this practical Russian course, your Russian language skills will increase incrementally and will become long-lasting. If you like this video, please subscribe, ring the notification bell, and like this video.
До свидания.
And we will see you next time in the practical Russian course for beginning students.